Hey all, welcome back. So eagerly waiting to know who's coming today? We have a very special guest today. Some superheroes don't wear capes. They are called doctors.
उंगली पकड़ के फिर से सिखा दे, गोदी उठा लेना माँ, आंचल से मेरा मुंह पोंछ देना, मैला सा लागे जहाँ।
She loves, she cares, she paints, she does embroidery, she is very creative. So here we welcome Dr. Forum Gala, a beautiful mother. So hi Forum Gala, let us know more about you.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Forum Gala Shah, a radiologist by profession and a mother of a 13-month-old toddler. I completed my MD radiology from Tata Memorial Hospital and further did specialization in neuroradiology from Zurich and pediatric neuroradiology from USA. I have been associated with LifeScan Imaging Center, which is a CT scan and MRI center at Malad, and presently I am working at Vadia Hospital for Children at Parel.
Oh, little Naksh was also eager to give us introduction. So in this risky situation, how supportive is your family? Do you have any fear?
I am very grateful and thankful to my family who have always been very supportive since I am a working mother. When I am away, my mother-in-law takes care of Naksh. And at the moment, because of lockdown, my husband also helps her in taking care of him. As I return back from the hospital, the sad part is I cannot hug him. I have to immediately rush for a shower, and at that time they usually hide him so that he does not become cranky. Since I am a medical professional, there is always a risk of contacting infection, and so some fear is always there. But if adequate precautions are taken, I think it's alright.
Oh, but it's better to be safe. Okay, so all the mothers, are you listening? They stay at work for us. We should be at home for them. Okay, Dr. Forum Gala, if you have any message to all the mothers over here.
First of all, I would like to tell all mommies that you all are superwomen. No one is less or no one is more. I want you all to appreciate yourself, to pat on your back. Since raising a child is a 24-hour job. Since the day I became pregnant to the day I became mother, from getting ready for a party or a social gathering to changing diapers, from having my own food to feeding my baby, life has changed completely. Motherhood is awesome. It's satisfying, however hard at times. Just hold on to the good, breathe through the bad, and enjoy this wonderful journey. It's like a roller coaster ride.
And lastly, what would you suggest for this lockdown?
The need of the hour is to stay at home and to stay safe. I would urge everyone to do the same. Spend time with yourself, spend time with your kids, spend time with your family. I'm sure this lockdown has brought all of us so close, be it friends, family members, distant relatives, because of video calls and video conferences. I also want you all to be more appreciative towards those who are safeguarding us. That is the doctors, nursing staff, class 4 workers, BMC employees, police force, security, air force, everyone who's made this lockdown possible. I'm sure together we can overcome this crisis, and let's help and motivate everyone around us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Foramgala. It was great having you here. Thanks for giving your precious time. We understand how precious it is right now in this situation. So, thanks a lot. And everyone, please stay home, stay safe. Thank you.